Join us on an exciting journey as we restore a vintage John Deere tractor to its former glory in 2024. In this detailed video, we'll take you through the entire restoration process, sharing our tips and techniques for bringing this classic piece of machinery back to life. From the initial assessment and sourcing of parts to the meticulous repairs and final touches, you'll get an insider's look at what it takes to revive a beloved tractor that has stood the test of time. Whether you're a seasoned restorer or a newcomer to vintage machinery, this video is packed with valuable insights and inspiration. Discover the history of John Deere tractors, learn about the tools and materials used in the restoration, and see firsthand the transformation from rusted relic to shining beauty. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more vintage restoration projects and tips. Let's get started on this incredible restoration adventure. Hey there, did you know that the first John Deere tractor was built way back in 1923? That's almost a century of history. Have you ever thought about restoring a vintage vehicle? It's a labor of love that connects you to the past. Today, I'm taking you on an exciting journey of restoring a vintage John Deere tractor. This isn't just about fixing up an old machine, it's about preserving a piece of agricultural history and reliving those nostalgic memories of days gone by. Let's dive into this adventure. Presentation of problem/challenge. Now, let's talk about the challenges I faced during this restoration. First off, sourcing parts for a vintage tractor can be quite the headache. Some parts are nearly impossible to find, and others are overpriced. I spent hours scouring online marketplaces and junkyards, hoping to find the right pieces. Then there's the rust and wear. This old girl had seen better days, let me tell you. The frame was covered in rust, and the engine needed some serious TLC. Getting everything back to its former glory felt like a daunting task, but I was determined to make it happen. Exploration/development. So, how did I tackle this restoration? It all started with a thorough cleaning. I used a pressure washer to blast away the dirt and grime, revealing the true condition of the tractor beneath. Next, it was time to deal with the rust. I sanded down the affected areas and applied a rust converter to stop it in its tracks. After that, I gave it a fresh coat of paint. Choosing the right color was important to me, it had to be authentic. When it came to the mechanical repairs, I dove into the engine. I replaced gaskets, cleaned the carburetor, and even had to rewire some components. Throughout the process, I discovered handy tips like using vinegar to remove rust and how to properly tune the engine. Every step was a learning experience, and I loved every minute of it. Climax/key moment, and here comes the best part, the moment of truth. After weeks of hard work, I finally cranked the engine for the first time. I couldn't believe it when that old engine roared back to life. The satisfaction of seeing the tractor fully restored and running again was just incredible. I couldn't help but smile as I took it for a spin around the yard. It felt like I had brought a piece of history back to life, and the pride that came with it was priceless. Conclusion/summary. So, to wrap things up, this restoration journey wasn't just about fixing a tractor, it was about embracing the joys and challenges that come with reviving vintage machinery. Every rusted bolt and scratched surface told a story, and I'm glad I could preserve that history. If you've ever considered restoring something old, I highly encourage you to go for it. Call to action, CTA, I'd love to hear your own restoration stories. Drop a comment below and share your experiences. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to check out my other restoration projects. Hit that subscribe button and join me for more adventures. Thanks for watching.